first shape?
Our first shape we're going to learn how to make is cavatelli. Cavatelli is one of the simplest handmade pastas that you're going to be able to make. Cavatelli means cavare, which is basically creating an indentation in the pasta. All you need is a board and your thumb. So I'm going to place a piece of pasta on the board, and I'm going to use the side of my thumb, so not the cushion, the side where the joint is, to push down and create pressure. And then I'm going to drag my whole hand forward. There you go.
This is the same shape as gnocchi.
Gnocchi is exactly, yeah, same thing. Except for cavatelli, it basically just means you have a little indentation.
A crevasse.
A crevasse. Yes, crevasse.
Friends.
Cheers! So you want that beautiful U shape. It
Okay.
also is reminiscent of a seashell.
Ah.
It's going to scoop up the sauce really nicely. So anything that's kind of like vegetable or meat based, this is a really great pasta shape for
And
that.
so, to clarify, which direction do you roll in? The direction of the cut or the direction of the other side?
Oh, that doesn't really matter.
Doesn't matter.
No, that doesn't really matter. You can even create a little ball if you want. Really what matters is the pressure. So I'm using the side of my thumb to create pressure so that I have a piece of pasta that has the same thickness from end to end. If you have a cavatelli that's very thick on one side and very thin on the other, it won't cook evenly. You'll end up with something that's very chewy. So the idea is to have that beautiful indentation. Beautiful.
Dink. Yeah. That's easy.
Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Variation, same thing. I like to use it on an angle. I'm going to place the piece of pasta side of my thumb, and you drag it down the board. So you have the ridge version. Yes. So this is classic cavatelli, ridge cavatelli.